Yep, so hello guys. Today I will show you my top-down analysis on NQ. Today is Monday, 12th of January 2026, and I will show you step by step what I'm looking at, my confluences and everything that I'm basically annotating on my chart. Yeah. So, first I'm watching the weekly time frame. Today we have it's like the first day of the week, and the first thing I'm doing is turn this indicator. It is ICT kill zones. ICT new week opening gap slash new day opening gap. So pop that on, and you can and mark out like every every single new week or new day opening gap that are close to the price around 9:30. So you can see that there is one. This is our current new week opening gap. Then we have this. That's a week in November. So we will type here old new week opening gap, and that's all I think for today. Yeah, you can see Monday. It was we have like a huge volume, so you can mark out even this new week opening gap. Wait, let me old new week opening gap, and you can mark out this huge, but I'm gonna mark it like this, and I will only mark the top of it. Yeah, so old new week opening gap. Yeah, so that's it here. Then we go into the settings, and you can search for new day opening gaps. So you can see this is the new week opening gap, and VFA right here. This is one huge new day opening gap. You can make that like a different color, so you know which one is a new week or new day opening gap. So let's say I will make that like a red. Maybe give me like 20%. Yeah. Old new day opening gap. We have some small new week opening gap right here. So, and I think that's all you need. Like mark out, you can see the price can reach here. It can like reverse or retrace into here, here, here. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. So that's the first thing I'm doing. Yeah, this one is too much small, so I'm gonna delete that, and let me make this like more visible like this. Yeah. So then we will mark out. Wait, let me delete the middle point of that. This is our target for this session. Yeah. Uh, that's a buy side liquidity right here. Uh, Take a note. I'm not gonna I'm not gonna annotate that, but take a note of this uh, bearish fair value gap. I mean quadrant. Yeah. So, but for you guys, I'm gonna mark it, and I'm gonna make that red. Yeah. Um, then um, uh, we have to look at ES. What is ES doing? As you can see, we have huge SMT with these highs, and even with these highs that we made today. I don't know at what time we've made them. It was too late into the day, so you wouldn't see that in the New York AM session, but you would see this one. So here's the SMT on the daily time frame. Yeah, that gives me like a little bit of bearishness, but still, if you look at the daily chart, we are pretty bullish. Yeah, you can see that price swept this sell side liquidity right here. Yeah, if you measure OTE here, equilibrium right here, price offered as a discount, then went higher. We have some daily bullish fair value gap, same here, from the low to the high, OTE 62% right here. We've hit that. Then we have this suspension block right here. Yeah, so we can take a look on that. Yeah, then we went higher. We swept this high on Wednesday, then we retraced. You can see the body. You can see the body of the Wednesday candle closing above this, or oh, she closed below. Okay, nothing. Yeah. Oh, but we have a small volume imbalance right here, so I'm gonna include that. So that's another suspension block, and you can see that price closed above the consequent encroachment. I don't know how to say that, but CE above the CE of this suspension block. Yeah, and then on Friday we closed like around this bearish order block. I mean, I don't know. Wait, that's a bearish order block. Yeah. So we've closed. So I have a bullish bias for today. Yeah. No reason to take a short right here. You can see that on Monday I've thought that we would have like inside trading day, but we went into, I think, 75% of this wick. Yeah, we retraced into 75% of this wick, and then price went higher and closed above the Friday's high. Yeah, or it didn't close. It is closing actually in 2 hours, but never mind. So let's go on the 4-hour time frame. We have this SMT right here. I'm gonna show it to you guys here. You can see that ES swept this high, so that gave me a little bit like of bearish bias. Yeah, we've like completely ran through this bearish fair value gap. Then 6 a.m. candle. Yeah, I will show you. I will show it to you guys. But we have this 4-hour bullish fair value gap which we ran through, and then we went higher. Let's go on the 15-minute time frame. We can mark out the 8:30 open right here, and then the midnight open, Monday midnight open right here. Yep. So you can see how price was precise today. I will show you the London and the Asia session, so you can see the day opened lower low, higher high, then London manipulation to the downside. You can see that we tapped into the old new week opening gap, but price didn't swept this low here on NQ. But as you can see, price swept this low on ES, and even this low right here. So I will mark out this bullish SMT, and that gave me a bullish bias for today. So my target for today was this Wednesday high from previous week, and I have bullish bias till we hit this one. I think these are all-time highs. Yeah, so I'm gonna I'm gonna mark it out. Wait, buy side liquidity, all time highs. My draw on liquidity right here, bottom right. Yeah, and I will leave that till we hit these highs. We are on price point 26,400. Yeah, so I think we will hit that pretty soon. So let's go back. Let's go back on the 15-minute time frame. I will mark out the 9:30 open right here. So the first thing I looked for in today's session was, if we go on the 5-minute time frame, you can see that price right before 9:30, exactly at 9. Wait. At 9:27, yeah, manipulated below all these engineered sell side liquidity right here. So sell side liquidity right here being swept right before the 9:30 open, yeah. So what I did was measure my standard deviation projection from here to here. That's a standard deviation. Yeah. So I've measured that. I will make it more visible like this. So then on 1 minute time frame, look at the time. Look at the time. Here, 9:50 right here, and 10:10 right here. That's what? That's a macro time. You can see start of the macro time. Suddenly price flies up into my standard deviation projection, and then price inversed this bullish fair value gap, and I wanted to take a short stop loss right here. What could we target? If you go here, you can see we have our first presented fair value gap after 9:30, after the New York AM opening bell. So we could target that CE. You can see beautiful risk to reward ratio, or the bottom of it, or here, or even this low. Yeah. So I wanted to take that, but price, it was Monday, and we had no news Monday. Tomorrow we have CPI at 8:30, so high impact red folder news. Yeah. So what we can expect from Monday? Not too much. Like, we are not expecting clean price moves. Yeah. We are not expecting like clean price action. Yeah, at all. So I've put my hands behind my butt, or behind, below. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying, but I've sit on my hands and I didn't push any of these buttons. Yeah, I would. No. I wouldn't. I wouldn't take this trade because I've set my rules, and I wouldn't take this trade. If it was like, if this happened on Wednesday, I would still like to see price trading into our current new week opening gap, exactly like this. Do we have SMT right here? Yeah, we had SMT right here. So that's a plus setup for me. Manipulation to the upside, taking out buy side liquidity right here, all this engineered buy side liquidity. We could take out this Sunday's high, but we've like punished the buy side liquidity. We punished all the shorts from here, from basically from this price leg. We've punished them all. Then price hits my standard deviation, my projection, yeah, from this high to this high. Why from this high? Because what move or what candle did start what candle started this move to the downside, to this sell side liquidity? You can see uh, this is the high, and it started just going down from this high. Yeah, so I measured the manipulation to the downside from here to here, and I've set, you can see, -2, -2.5, -3.5, and -4. You can see we hit that. Bearish SMT, yeah, order block, nice short. But I have my rules, I've set my rules. Yeah, you could have your take profit right here, beautiful, 2.72 risk to reward ratio, yeah. But no news Monday, first day of the week. Tomorrow, high impact news, not high probability day. Yeah, so I was sitting on my hands. Even though I had bullish bias, yeah, I wanted to take a short, but I didn't do that, which is actually like a good for me because I stick to my rules. Yeah. If you would like to take a trade today, so let's say you want to take this long, yeah. So the first trade you can take 5-minute time frame. Wait, I will get rid of that. 5-minute huge 5-minute fair value gap, and we retrace into that. Yeah, so that was your long. If you are trading pre-market, you can see here 9:30 open, manipulation to the downside. Wait, down close candle, that's your order block, or you could use yeah, this one maybe, I don't know, but like not enough confluences for me to take a long. We have no retrace in any of these fair value gaps on 1 minute. We have like just a little bit of this retrace on the 5-minute fair value gap. If we go to the regular trading hours, I will measure the opening range gap. Yeah, so from the close, wait, sorry guys, right here, close to the open, put your quadrant and make that yellow or green. Yeah, green is better. Then yeah, we can go back into the electronic trading hours, and you can actually see that price went into the CE of this price move. Yeah, into the CE of I mean not this price move. It went into the discount into our opening range gap, which you can see on regular trading hours. Yeah guys, so if I delete this indicators, opening range gap, you can use it like this. You take the first one, you can see exactly this is our opening range gap. Yeah, so I'm just saying that. So price went into the CE of the opening range gap, then went higher, market structure shift to the upside, start of the macro rally up, then retrace into this bullish fair value gap, retrace into the old new day opening gap. Yeah, so you could take your long like from CE. You can use this as a breakaway gap because we don't expect price to take or to retrace too far into this price move. Yeah, we want to see a quick quick closure above wait, I will mark it as a breakaway gap, or it's gonna be like awful. Yeah, so here we want to see a like speed above this high, which we get right here. Then we have slow retrace lower. Of course, if you measure from this high to this high, OTE 62% right here. You can see price hit that. Yeah. So today was a really precise day. Yeah, you could take another entry right here. I think we have something like SMT right here. No, we don't have SMT right here. Never mind. So today was a bullish day. I was bullish on the daily time frame, but I wasn't on the right side of the market, and there was no. I will take a long, but there was no setup for me. Yeah, I wouldn't take this retrace into the 5 minute buy side inefficiency, sell side imbalance. I wouldn't take that, even though we retrace into the equilibrium of the opening range gap. Yeah. No news Monday. Tomorrow we have high impact news. We have CPI at 8:30 New York time. Yeah, so I wasn't. I was this AM session. I've just sit on my hands and watched the market. I've only read the price action. Yeah, so no trades for me. I think that is all from today's chart. Yeah. If we get closer look, we can cherry pick this one. Yeah. If we go on the 15-minute time frame, or maybe on the 5-minute time frame. Yeah, we have this 5-minute 5-minute bullish fair value gap, order block. Yeah, so it was a good day for me. Wait, I will try something. ICT kill zones, I want to see that. This is our London manipulation. If we measure the manipulation right here, standard deviation, yeah, you can see how price is operating around this level. Yeah, and look at so that was actually a great example. Yeah, we have SMT, that's a wallet projection. Measure this move. Yeah, and guys, tomorrow take a look how price reacts it around this 2.25 level. Yeah, you can already see that price starts to reject around that. Yeah, it is breaking to the downside, and it doesn't mean price can't go above the 2.25 or above the 2.5 level. Yeah, it is level where retrace happens. Yeah, so let's say I would look for shorts in today's New York PM session. Break a block right here. Yeah, price right now, retrace into that. Stop right here. What could you target? Right here. Yeah, I'm just saying that. I'm not saying like this is a good trade, or I'm not saying. I'm just showing you guys how could you use this for your entries. Yeah, so this is all from me, I think. I will go through the time frame one more time. Yeah, we are inside this bearish fair value gap. We have this. Wait, I will mark out quadrant of this, so I can see how price reacts inside this IFEG. I will mark that for tomorrow. I will be watching tomorrow. I will be watching this bearish fair value gap. Do we close above that fair value gap, or do we close below? How price treats the CE of this old new week opening gap. Do we close above the CE or do we close below the CE? Do we close above this old high? How what's ES doing? Yeah. If you go on a daily time frame, you can see that ES is already at the all-time highs. Yeah. So I'm expecting like NQ to push higher. Yeah, because the two pairs are correlating together. Yeah, they are moving the same. Yeah. If you take a look, uh, dollar dollar uh 930 930 opens, take out this high. We didn't or wasn't strong enough to take out this high. Yeah, then price moves lower. So exactly at 930 price took out this high and started moving lower. What happened on NQ exactly at 930? Before 930 manipulation to the sell side liquidity, then suddenly price goes higher. Why? Look at dollar. Yeah, that's easy. uh, if we take NQ and US30, or no, US30, yeah, you can see uh, the US30 took out like not London low, yeah, but let's say London low, yeah. So we have huge bullish SMT at 930, not before 930. 930 right here. Then 1 minute chart, what you can see, they are correlating, they are working together. Yeah, NQ didn't take out the low, but US30 did take out the low. Yeah, so uh, that's smart money technique. Yeah, we can expect to like price to go higher. Yeah, you can see price was below both midnight opening prices. It went into the discount, offered us discount. Yeah, that was like perfect long for today. Yeah, everything played in our cards. Yeah, you can see London manipulation, SMT with the Friday low into the old new week opening gap. Yeah, everything makes sense. Yeah. This is our old new week opening gap, but just the line. Yeah. Uh, that's it. That's it. If anyone says that that is random, like if you know what you're doing and if you know what you're looking for, you you don't have to prove something, or you don't have to prove something for them. Yeah, that's easy, bro. So that's it for today. Uh, um, have a great day. Journal, yeah. Backtest. Do something positive, yeah. Take a look at this video. It can explain to you a lot of things. I've tried very hard to explain all of that I saw today. Yeah, from the higher time frame to the 1 minute time frame. Yeah, I've told you what I will be looking for tomorrow. Yeah, that you have to mark out your new week opening gaps, your new day opening gaps. So I think that's it for today's. Uh, yeah, and have a great day and be safe. Bye.